Jesus. I just can't find this damn place, bro. Life giver, we miss you. Like, damn, I'm googling shit. Life giver, we miss you. Oh, hey, sir. Hey, what go on, son? Can you tell me where to find vagina land, please? Oh yeah, man, that's easy, man. First you have to just make a straight right, you know. So you have to make a straight right, you're gonna make a left turn. But after you make the left turn, don't make the left turn until you make a right turn. Because if you make the right turn, you have to go straight down one hill. Yeah? You see, if they go straight down one hill, you're gonna see Mr. Chin Shop. Don't stop at Mr. Chin Shop, you know. Make a step turn down the gully. After you go into the gully, you know, you have to come back up from the gully. So I make a left, right, back left, and left, right, turn, left, right, turn. You dig? And after you make a left, right turn now, you have to go straight over one road. There, so you see, if you go on the road, you're gonna see the highway. There, so yes, I get tricky now, brother. It get tricky right. So after you go on the highway, you have to go up on the 95. If you go up on the 95, you have to go up on New York, then you make a left, right turn, make a U-turn, a diagonal turn, and then you have to go straight up. So if you go straight up, you go straight to the left part, but don't go left and make a right. But if you make a right, you go have to make a left. But don't make the left unless you make the right, because if you make the left, you might make the right. You dig what I say? And then over. So just go straight over there, so go over one Kia, you go see one Kia, you go see one Japanese shop. They might sell dog, the Chinese they might sell dog. Just go straight over there, so you dig what I say? So just go straight over there, so go over one Kia, you go see one Kia, you go see one Japanese shop. I say, no man, you don't reach it, bro. You don't reach it. Just go straight, man, and after you go straight, you just go straight over there, so make a left right turn and then jump over one fence. So if you jump over one fence, you go see 6 dog. After you see 6 dog, just run. Like a, you know what? Never mind a blood clot. Never mind to pussy. Never mind. They were asking for directions for. Bumble clot.